manifest. Okay, but what do you want to manifest? I want to manifest love. Okay, love can come in many forms. Do you want love from your family? Do you want love from a partner? Do you want love from children? Where do you want love from? I want money. Like, what type of money? What do you need money for? Like, do you want a job? Do you want do you want a business? What do you want? You have to get very specific on what you want. Don't be like, I need money, because it's very broad, and you might get money, but not the amount you want to buy what you want, you know? That's why you have to be very specific on those.